Great food is just a short drive to Heine's Barbecue in Lawrenceburg. Mouth-watering is just one way to describe the amazing flavors of the best piece of Heine in town. Heine's Barbecue, Highway 43 North in Lawrenceburg.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your afternoon update.
Happy Thursday to you. I'm Kelli Rosson here in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. We have a lot to talk about this afternoon. We have a brief warm-up on the way, both today and tomorrow, and even for Saturday. However, also Saturday, we are watching very closely for the potential for a few strong storms here in the Tennessee Valley. I will map out everything you need to know here in this midday weather update. Overall, though, right now, high pressure is going to be going off to our east, really setting up the stage for us to get in on that southerly flow for warm and moist air to advect into our area over the next few days. So we will see that come into play for the Tennessee Valley heading into Saturday's storm threat. But until then, we are going to be mainly dry for the rest of today. We will be mainly sunny, but we will see clouds continue to filter in later on this evening and overnight. Temperatures very nice and much warmer than yesterday, into the mid to upper 50s across the region. We will have a breezy wind today out of the south, 10 to 15 miles an hour, maybe some gusts up to 20 miles an hour. And we will hold on to breezy conditions until pretty much the day is over on Sunday, so just keep that in mind. Heading into this evening again, we will start to see a few clouds filter into the mix, with temperatures getting down into the lower 40s. Overnight, I think a little bit of cloud cover is going to act as an insulating blanket, keeping us out of the 30s and mainly into the lower 40s across the region. For your Friday morning, we are going to start off with a partly to mostly cloudy sky. We will have a lot of cloud cover for Friday, but I think some periods of sunshine as well. Temperatures even warmer for tomorrow afternoon, into the low to maybe even mid 60s out there. Again, winds out of the south bringing in that warmer air for us here in the Tennessee Valley. And we even have a chance for a few showers after sunset across the region, just scattered in nature. However, a better rain chance certainly comes on Saturday, mainly after sunset. Let's go ahead and play through Futurecast for what we can expect. Again, Friday evening, maybe a few spotty showers and continuing into Saturday morning, but we will start to see a much more organized weather system heading into your Saturday afternoon and evening. Again, mainly after sunset here in the Tennessee Valley. Now, as far as any severe threat and the strong storms, again, I think the bullseye is still to our west. However, that does not mean we are out of the woods, and I will map that out here in just a second. But let's go ahead and play through the rest of this Futurecast model to see exactly what we can expect with timing. We are going to see this storm system move through heading into the overnight hours into your Sunday morning, but the strong to potentially severe threat is going to be mainly Saturday evening and the early overnight hours, and then we will just see some lingering rainfall and maybe a few rumbles of thunder for your Sunday morning. By the time we get to Sunday afternoon, though, I think we are all done and out of the woods, with clearing skies by a Sunday evening, with mainly dry conditions setting up after that. But winds will be still breezy as this storm system moves through on Saturday, whether or not a storm is severe, because we will just see a lot of strong gradient winds here in the region, just with a strong weather system that does move through here in the Tennessee Valley. So overall, the SPC has already highlighted Saturday for us here in the Tennessee Valley a level 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather. Again, a few strong storms possible, still a very conditional threat here in the Tennessee Valley. The better storm ingredients remain to our west, but we are pretty much just on the teetering line of those storm ingredients. So we are going to continue to keep a very close eye on any new trends for Saturday's storm threat. But right now, looking like a level 1 out of 5 here in the Tennessee Valley, pretty much cut off at Interstate 65 and west. So again, something to keep in mind for Saturday. Be sure to have a way to get watches and warnings as far as coverage goes. I think a lot of us, in fact, all of us, are going to see at least some rainfall here in the Tennessee Valley and some thunderstorms. Whether those storms do hold together and become strong to severe, we are still getting all of our ducks in a row for that. But overall, here is what we are thinking for Saturday's storm threat. As far as a tornado threat, we can never rule it out. It is still a low risk, again, very conditional right now. As far as high winds, low risk, we could see about 40 to 60 mile an hour winds with these thunderstorms that do develop, heading into hail. I think a low risk, maybe pea to dime size hail. And then as far as flooding, that is going to be our main concern because we are looking at a lot of rainfall with this weather system that we do need here in the Tennessee Valley. So let's go ahead and break down the rain chances for us here in the region. Overall, we are going to be dry for today and for the first half of tomorrow with a few showers after sunset on Friday, but then the better chances come Saturday with a 60% chance during the daytime, and then after sunset is when those storms will begin to ramp up and move through the Tennessee Valley. 90% chance at that, and we're probably going to have to bump that up to 100% because I do think everybody is going to get rainfall and see some thunderstorms out of this system before it's all said and done by Sunday morning, with a few lingering showers and storms for your Sunday morning, but the severe threat should be over by Sunday morning. Heading into the evening, that's the storm system should get out of here and we should be drying out for the rest of the beginning of next week. And as far as our drought conditions go, this weather system is going to help us significantly because we are looking at about 1 to 2 inches of rain. A lot of models are agreeing on that, but we do still need some help in the rainfall department. Very dry conditions. This is the new drought monitor that did come out today. So yes, we are still in a drought, but we are continuing to nickel and dime that drought to hopefully alleviate those conditions here soon. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. We are going to be partly cloudy for today and tomorrow as clouds continue to increase and temperatures will increase as that warm air moves in. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s for Friday, mid to maybe even upper 60s on Saturday before that storm system comes through, but we are looking at a few overnight rain showers Friday into Saturday, and then the bulk of these storms will be coming to our area Saturday evening, mainly after sunset. Again, a few strong storms are possible, so be sure to stay weather aware for Saturday evening into the overnight hours, but then those showers and storms should be wrapping up by midday on Sunday and then clearing out with temperatures falling from the 60s into the upper 40s for Sunday, Monday, and just into the 50s by Tuesday. That's your check at your local weather forecast. Fred is back in with you this evening for more weather updates.